Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this Ford Lincoln key fob battery used for different years, different models, for Taurus, Lincoln MKS, MKT. Very easy. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. There is a link and pretty easy. What we have to do first to take the emergency key out, we do that by pressing this button right here, okay? And we take the key. Okay, now as you can see there is a small slot right here. Okay, so you can do it with your key. I prefer to do it with a screwdriver. Okay, we just insert it in and I pull up. Okay, very gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, and then it just comes out. Here is the battery, as you can see, CR2032, I'm sorry. And you just move the battery a little bit, very gently, okay? And it comes out, okay? Now this is a good battery, I will use it again. As you can see, there is this connector right here. So what I do, I put the key at the battery and I press, okay? And then it holds it, just like that. As you can see, it will not fall, all right? So once again, to release it, gently move the battery a little bit, comes out, and then to the right, and I press. And I just take the cover, make sure it's, close it, put back the emergency key, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.